Welcome, Jamie here from Royalwise. You can always find us online at royalwise.com. This is just going to be a quick little tech tip video talking about QR codes. I had a client today ask me about what is a QR code and what do they do for me? How can I access them? And if you don't know what a QR code is, here's a couple of examples. Here in Oregon, we do vote by mail, and so when I get my mailer right here, there's a QR code I can leverage to sign up to track my ballot. Maybe you get the Fred Meyer mailer, and on the Fred Meyer mailer right here, we've got a little QR code that you can actually leverage to get to the Fred Meyer's website. So you want to cut some coupons. This is the exact mailer that my client was trying to access when she asked me, how do you do this? So those QR codes, basically the purpose is just to get you to a website, nothing more than that. So you scan it and it takes you to the website. But how do you scan it? Let's take a look. So here I am on my iPhone 12 Pro, and the best part about QR codes these days is that Apple has actually built this into the camera. We used to need a third-party app to do these scans, but now we don't. It's just built right into the camera. So to access a QR code, it's as easy as opening up my camera, finding that code that I want to scan, and the minute I get it into the camera, you notice up at the top, I get a website. And all I have to do now is tap on that website, and it takes me straight to it. It's that easy. So let's try that one more time. I'm going to take that Fred Meyer's ad we were looking at. Let me go back to my camera. All I have to do is get that QR code do you see those little yellow lines around it? Now up at the top, it says website QR code. Open the Fred Meyer's website. All I have to do is tap up there, and away we go. Now we're on the Fred Meyer's website. So it really is that easy. Open your camera, point it at the code. At the very top, you'll get a little pop-up, a little banner ad saying, hey, here's the website you want to go to. Now, the one little trick that we kind of had to talk about is the fact, well, what do I do now? Like, I'm on the website, what do I do? And the question the client had was like, do I have to create an account? Do I not have to create an account? Of course, that depends on what you're trying to do. A lot of restaurants use this right now just for their menu or their beverage menu. So you go to a restaurant, they don't want to hand you a paper menu during the time of COVID, so they just give you a QR code. You put it in your camera and you go to their website and you read their menu. So when they come to take your order, you can tell them what you want. Now with Fred Meyer's, you probably do need to create an account if you want to clip and save coupons. And so definitely with some websites, you need to create an account, and on some you don't, but that just really depends on what it is you're trying to do. So that is just a quick little tip on how to scan QR codes, leveraging the camera that's built into your iPhone. And again, Jamie Pollock from Royalwise, really thank you for spending the time with me. If you got some value out of this video, please like this video. Feel free to share it. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, come and like our Royalwise page. Thanks so much. Have a great day.